What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to create a simple cartoon illustration of Spider-Man. Now you want to begin today's lesson in the center of a page at the top edge of the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. We start from the left side and draw a curve that goes up. We'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Bending this up and then curving that out. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the bottom edge of the eye. Coming down, round up the eye, and just pull that in toward that inside point. And it'll do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's add that thick trim around the eyes. From that inside point, we're going to step in. Just going to trace the left side. We're going to go up, bend that out. Now on the end, we just want to curl that up to a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the eyes along the bottom. Around the side, the bottom. I'm just going to curl that up towards the inside. Now switch to a brush tip marker and fill the inside of that trim. Now with the eyes complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out. Just going to curve the head, coming down and in, round up the chin, go across, and then bring that up towards the right side. Let's go back to the side and draw the top half of the head. I'm just going to bump this out, go up and in, round up the head, come down the right side, and then bend that in. Now we want to bring the arms forward with the hands in front of the body. So let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw the palm. We're going to go up, bend it out towards the end of the thumb. Let's round out the thumb and then bend it back in. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Going up and out, round out the thumb, and then bend that back in. Let's go back to the left side and straighten out the first finger. We're going to go out in an angle, round up the finger, and then pull that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out in an angle, round out the finger, and then come back in. Let's fold the center finger and draw an oval. Going all the way around, and then tuck that in behind. Let's straighten out that index finger and come down an angle, round out the finger, bend that in, and just tuck that in behind the palm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Come down an angle, round out the finger, come in, and then tuck that in. From the inside of the palm, let's bend the arms, going up and out underneath the head. Let's go to the side of the head and draw the outside of the arm. Just going to bend this out around the thumb, come down and in behind the hand. Now in between the hands, we're going to draw a curve for the body coming down and up. Let's step up and draw that again. Now we're going to bend the legs going out towards the side. Let's start from the outside finger, draw a short angled line going up and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now it's going to bend the leg going down and then out towards the heels. Just round out the bottom of the foot, going out and then up towards the toe. Round out the toe, come in, and then back down towards the heel. Let's go back to the toe and draw the top of the foot. We're going to bend this in, and curve that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to bend the outside of the leg. We're going to go up, bend the knee, coming down in behind the arms. Now that we've drawn the contours of the body, let's go and add some detail. We're going to start by separating the edge of the boot. Starting from the inside of the knee, bend this up, and then out on top of the foot. Let's add a trim across the top of the arms, starting from the outside, go around the thumb, and then bend that in. Let's add the bottom half of that spider symbol in the center of the body. Start right in the middle, bend this around and then in towards the center. Go back up to the top, so go around the right side and then in, and then we'll fill that center area in black. Let's add 2 sets of legs on either side. Start from the top, then around the left side and then in. Taking that back up and in towards the side, and we'll fill the inside of those legs. Let's add 1 small set along the bottom, coming down and in. Take that back up, and we'll fill the inside. Now we're going to go back and add that webbing detail across the mask. Starting from the inside corner of the eyes, let's go up and then down towards a point in the center. And then from that point, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. Let's move to the top of the eyes, add a curve going out and then up. Then on the side of the eye, add 1 more line going up and out. Let's go back in between the eyes, draw 2 straight lines coming down and in, close off the bottom, and then from those bottom corners, bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the head. Let's go out underneath the eyes, draw 1 angled line going out. Now I want to add those webs going across. In the center, let's step up, curve this down and out towards the eye on the left and right. Move up, draw another curve, coming down and up towards the side. Go all the way up towards the top and draw that 1 more time. Now from the ends, bend this down and out on top of the eyes. Go up to the top, come down and out. Let's add 2 curves along the center. And then from the ends, we're just going to bend this up and out underneath the eyes. Let's add some detail to the fingers. We're going to start from the base of the thumb, bend this down and up, step up and draw that again. And we'll separate the base of each finger with a curve, and I'll split that in half with 1 more curve. Let's add 1 curve in that center finger. Now let's add some webs across the feet. From the inside of the knee, let's step up, bend this down and out, step up and draw 1 more curve. And then along the top of the foot, we're going to step up, draw a straight angled line, step up. Now we're going to start to bend this out and up towards the bottom of the foot. Do the same thing on the right, coming down an angle. Now we're going to add those webs going across. Start from the toe, bend this in. Just going to round this out, work our way towards the heel. Curve across the top of the foot, work our way in, add 1 more across the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a simple cartoon illustration of Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to add a request, you can just drop it in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.